So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of your iPhone not charging above 80%. Whatever you do, how much time that have been connected to the charger, still not go above 80%. Now in order to fix it, simply open the settings of your iPhone. In the settings, go to option of battery. In the battery, simply go to this option of charging on the bottom of your screen. Click on charging, and here you'll see the charging limit is set to 80. Simply increase this one and set it. Click on this option of set limit to 100%. Simply turn this optimize battery charging off, and what it does, it does not limit your charging to 80%. And if it still not works, simply give a restart to your iPhone by just simply turning this option off. Give a restart, it will definitely work for you. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.